Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to reset a Ninja blender. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first is you want to make sure the handle of the blender jar is positioned at the front right corner. It's a small thing, but it's if the handles is even a little off here, the blender might not turn on. So in this case, make sure it's properly aligned. Next is you want to check if the lid and jar base are all properly aligned and securely attached. So Ninja blenders have a safety feature that stops them from running if anything is misaligned. So typically speaking, both in the handle itself or the handle and the cap here have some arrows, so make sure they properly line up and in this case securely set up. So from then on, you want to go ahead and use your reset feature. So some Ninja blenders here have a built-in reset feature. So if your blender is still not working, unplug it for about like 15 to 20 minutes, then plug it back in and try again. So usually this actually drains the power from your blender and does a soft reset here and usually fix temporary issues. Now, if you're blending something thick or overfilled, the blender might automatically shut off because of overload protection. If that happens, try, in this case, blending in smaller batches or add a bit more liquid to make it easier for the motor. And also, you might want to check for blockages. So sometimes food or debris can stuck in the blades or motors inside or the motor area here, preventing the blender from working. So look for any blockages and clean them out carefully. And finally, you want to go and check your power cord. Now plug and blender components for visible damage. Now if you see anything broken here, you might need to repair or replace the blender itself. Now, if none of those actually work or you can't reset, in this case you're still getting some issues on your blender, I would recommend you to visit a technician or even contact Ninja Blender's customer support. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Line Up. Thank you for watching.